This conference will now be recorded.
Right. Next, we'll see how to create nested grids, guys. Nested grid means grids in the another grid. Okay. So for that one, now what do I do? I'm going to remove these areas, guys. I'll remove these areas, right? And also, I'm going to delete these all classes, guys. Yeah, that's fine. Right. We save this one now. Let's go here. Let's refresh here. Now, right? You can see, guys, now. So, right order came 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now, so in grid one, guys, in grid one, in this in grid one, I want take some nested grids, some grids, subgrids, guys. Okay, I want take some sub boxes here in this one again, right? So for that one, now what do I do? That NTH1, I'll take completely the row, guys, like this. I want take the NTH1 completely. Let us see how to take the NTH1 completely, guys. So I can take the NTH1, the line numbers, right? Column number. I want take from 1. Currently, it is from 1 to 2, right, guys? 1 to 2. But I want take up to 3 here, up to this ending, right? So I'll take here up to 3, guys. Okay. Now let's go there. Yes. I'm going to take now NTH1 data, NTH1, NTH1. I'll take now grid, all of you observe grid column, right? Grid column, guys. Grid column. Okay. We'll take now 1, 2, 3, guys. Okay. Starting from 1 up to 3. Starting from 1 up to 3, guys. Up to 3. Now all of you guys can observe it here. Can observe all of you, right? That's fine. That's fine. Now the NTH1 came. So from where? From one column number 1 to column line number 3, guys. Okay, 3. Right. And what is the row numbers for this one? Row number 1 to row number 2, guys. Okay. This is currently between row number 1 to 2. Row number 1 to 2. So you can take for row number also, guys, so that it will be fixed there. That's all. I can take row number also, grid row. I'll take here 1 to 2, guys. I'll do 1 to 2 only, but I'm taking again now. I'm fixing here now. I'm fixing, guys, right? Now later it will not change, guys. If you see in the previous case, we have taken the columns for 3. At the time automatic adjustment happened, right? But now it won't happen the adjustment automatically when you replace when you remove the other grids. Now it's fixed there. It's locking there, guys. It's locking there, right? If you want lock the NTH2 in the same place, if you want lock NTH2 in the same place, guys, in the same place, then specify the row numbers and the column numbers. So what is the column number? Column number from 1 to 2 column number, and row number from 2 to, right? This is the 2. This is the 3, guys. This is the 3. So I'm fixing now. I'm locking this one, guys. I'm locking this one. It's grid. We can move remaining 3. Remaining we can move, but now NTH1, NTH2, they will not move when you move the other grids. Okay, that's fine. Now in NTH1, guys, in NTH1, I want to take the some subgrids, subdivisions, right? Subdivisions. Okay, let's go here. NTH1, right? Yes, guys. This is the which one? First division, right? First division. In this one already, what is there? In H3 is there. Now I am taking here. I am taking now some divisions again. NTH. I'll take here. So I'll take now NTH 1A, guys, 1A. Actually What is the parent name, guys? Here, what is this parent name? This name NTH1, right? This is the now parent, guys. Now this is the parent. That name is NTH1. I am taking the subgrids names NTH1A, NTH1B, like that. Okay. I'll take all the single lane, guys, so that it occupies less space here. Right. I'll take here the same NTH, NTH1A, NTH1A, like this. Okay. Right. I'll take one more also. I'll take, right, one more, guys. I'll take here div. Okay. I'm taking the div like this, and here we'll take the class name. I'll take NTH1B, guys. NTH1B, right? NTH1B. We take the content here NTH right, 1B, like this, guys. 1B. I'm going to take one more also, right? One more also, guys. Div. Okay. Yes. Div opened, div closed. Take the class name. I'll take the class name NTH1C, and the content also NTH1C, guys. NTH1C. Right. That's fine. All of, right? All of, observe. I have taken the subgrids where, see, this is the right main, guys. Okay, main container. That is the main. In this one, this is the right first grid, guys. Okay, first grid. In that grid, I am taking the again subgrids now. I am taking the some subgrids, guys. Okay, div1, this div2, this div3, right? And also already what is there here? H3 is there, guys. H3 is there. Now, okay, right. Now for this all, I give the again some default background colors, guys. For this all, I'll give the some default background colors, bootstrap colors, or else. Now what do I do here? What do I do now? Yes, guys, I'm going outside. Okay, I can apply the normal styles, background color, text color, like that also. Or else, guys, here, let me see one. What is the parent color name? Success, right, guys? Success, the parent name, right? Parent background color. We'll take now some busy, right? Danger, guys. I'm taking now danger color. Where text is the white. That's first one. Okay, first division. For second division, yes. So I'm taking now again busy. Okay, success, right? I'll take the primary, guys. Okay, I'll take the primary where text is the white. Text is the white. That's fine. That's fine. Now I also take here busy, right? Warning, busy warning, and take the text white. We'll take the text white. All of you. Okay. Now I'll go to this one. I'll refresh here. Now all of you observe. So we got three things, right? NTH1A, danger, right, guys? Danger. Spelling mistake is there. That's why that is not applying, guys. That is not applying. Okay, right. Now, see what I want now. What I want, see in the previous case, guys. In the previous case, so this is the main, right? Is the main parent. In that parent, we have the NTH1. NTH1 is there. NTH2 is there. Okay, NTH3 is there, NTH4 is there, 5, 6, 7. These all are the we can say child grids, right? Child grids. That's why for parent only, I taken the main. In the parent level, I have taken the display grid. Now for this NTH1, NTH1A, 1B, 1T, 1C means for these which is the parent, guys? For this, which is the parent? Yes, guys. This is the parent, right? This is the parent, guys. This division is the parent. I'll take the one class, guys. I'll take here. I'll take the one class. I'll take now sub main, guys. Okay, sub main. For example, I'm taking the sub main class. Okay, sub main class, guys. Or you can take any name, guys, any name. So I'll take here. I'll take now dot sub main. Okay, sub main, guys. Dot sub main of dot sub main of. Let's take now a display grid. Okay, display grid, guys. Display grid. Because see, why I'm taking that one means all of observe now. This division is the parent of these all divisions, guys. These all divisions. All of right. Now this division is parent of these all nexted divisions, nexted grids, nexted grids. That's why for parent level only we should take the which one display grid, display flex. These all we take at parent level, right? That's why I taken the submain. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Yes, guys. Now exactly they occupied, guys. They occupied exactly. Okay. Now all of can observe, guys, here. All of can observe now. See already what is there, guys, here already NTH1 is there, right? One is there already. Yeah, H3 tag. Right? H3 tag already is there. Now subgrids 1A, 1B, 1C, guys. 1A, 1B, 1C. Okay. Fine, guys. Now what do I do for the subgrid, guys? For the subgrid, or else for this NTH1, right? For NTH1, guys, I'm taking the some border, guys. I'm taking some border so that it looks better, guys. Okay, I'll take the border, some 2 pixels border. Okay, that border will take the block color, for example, guys. Then let's take the solid line. Let's take the solid line, guys. Yes. Now all of can observe, guys. Okay, can observe all of you this one now. Can observe the border, right? Border, guys. Okay, there now you got the which one? NTH1, NTH1A, 1B, 1C, guys. So this is the way what you call taking the and all of you for NTH6, right? Again, small size game, guys, here. Small size game for which row, guys, here for row 4, guys, right? Row 4. All of you observe. See, this is the sorry. This is the row 1, right? Now all of you observe. See, this is the NTH1 is the row 1, right? This is the row 1, guys. Okay. This all is the right row 1. Okay. Row 1. Then 3, 4 in the row 2. 3, 4 in the row 2. Okay. Row 2. Next one. Next one. If you down 4, 5 is the row 3 and 6 in the row 4, right? Row 4, guys. But if you observe, you are taking the how many rows here? 3 rows only, guys, right? Row 1, row 2, row 3 only. If you take the again 150, then it is the 4th row, guys. Okay, it is for 4th row. It is for 4th row, guys, right? 4th row. We save this one. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Yes, guys, you can see, right? 4th row. 4th row also coming with the same size, guys. Same size. Okay. I'll take, guys, less size. We'll take the little bit okay, small size. We can take the pictures also, guys, no problem. Yes, still right. Row 4 is the right. We save this one. Yes, guys, okay, that's fine. Now all of you are clear, right? How to create this what do you call this nested grid? Okay, nested grids, guys. Again, there in the submain, again you can specify the number of rows, number of columns like this. All of right. Now observe here. I am taking now grid. Okay, grid template, grid template. Okay, columns. Now how many columns do you want? I am taking the 2 columns. I'll take here again 50 percentage. Again, guys, I'm taking here 50 percentage. Okay, I'm taking both, right? 50 percentage, guys. 50 percentage. That's fine. So 2 columns. I'll take here again 2 rows, guys. We take the template rows. Okay, template rows. This all I'll take here. This 100 percentage. Again 100 percentage. Okay, I am taking the 2 rows, 2 columns in the submain. Okay, in the all of you observe. All of you observe, guys. All of you observe. All of you observe. Oh, yes, guys, right? Here we should not take the 100, guys, because the main we are taking the 100, now also taking the 100, right? 100, guys, so that there overlap. I'll take less, guys. I'll take now, for example, 50 only here. I'm taking the 50 percentage. The rows, I am taking the 50% only. 50% only. Let us see, guys. Yes. All of can observe, guys. Now, all of can observe here. All of can observe here. So we have the four, guys, right? We have the four divisions. So it is also taking one, right? So here one is there, then two, then three, then four, guys. These four are taking the two rows, two columns, guys. Two rows, two columns. Two rows, two columns. All of are clear, right? I think if you take the more size, guys, I take suppose we'll take now 10 pictures. Let us see. Let us see all of it. Yes, I'm talking about this first one, guys. And the first one only, and the first one, right? The that one is there. Which one is H3 is there. Then again, we have three divisions, guys. Three divisions are there. So all of it is clear, right? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So this is the way how to work with nested grids, guys. Okay, nested grids. A grid in the another grid, guys. Okay, grid in the another grid. That's fine. All right. Now what do we do here? Suppose, guys, I want take the space between rows and columns, guys. I want take the space between the rows and columns. Okay, rows and columns. Then for that one, what do we do? For that one, what do we do, guys? Okay, because I want to get the space, right? So for that one, generally we can use the margin and padding text, right? We use generally the margin and padding text. Okay, margin padding text. But here, now we'll take the now all of you observe. So I'm going to the main, okay, main grid level. Main grid means in that one we have NTH1, NTH2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Between all the main grids, then I'll take the row gap, guys. Row gap. I'll take 10 pictures, 10 pictures, and also I'm taking now column gap, guys. Column gap. I'll take the 10 pictures. So I'm taking the main means it happens between all main grids. Okay. Yes. Now all of you observe here. We got the space, right, between a rows and column. See, in the first row we have the NTH1, right? So there we have the space, guys. So if you observe, we are not getting the space between which one NTH1A. Here not space not coming, guys. Why? Because we are working with the main grid level, right? Main container level, main container, guys. Okay, that's why we got the space here. You can see, right? We got the space in these locations, guys. These are the main container level. I want the space here also. I want the space here also. Then what is the container name? This name, guys. I have taken the submain, right, guys? I have taken the submain. There we apply the column gap, row gap. Okay, we'll go here. We'll take this one. Yes, we'll take now again row gap. Row gap. I'll take the suppose 5 pictures. 5 pictures. Then we'll take the column gap. Column gap. We'll take the 5 pictures. Okay, 5 pictures, guys. That's all. Now, so all of you guys, all of you, all of you, all of you can observe, guys, here. All of you can observe here. What happened now? The space came, right, guys? Space came. The space came here. Space came here, right? But if you observe in the background, what is there, guys? In the background, what you find there? In the background, what color is there? Right? The success is there, guys. Okay. Means what is the meaning here? On this grid one, right? On this grid one, we are creating these three, guys. So that it's occupying as the first one, that which one H1, guys, right? This is the H3 tag, right? H3 tag. This is the one subgrid. This is the which tag? Div tag. This is also div tag. This is also div tag. These four are there where in the which one? Main in the grid one, guys. Grid one. For grid one, what is the color, guys? For grid one, what is the default? We are taking the color success color. So that's why on that one, these four are creating these four, guys. Okay. Suppose for H1 also I take the different color. Observe, guys. For H1 also, for H1, right? Where is H1? Yes. I'll take here class. Let's take the some background, guys. Okay, background. Let's take the dark, for example. Background dark. Text white. Okay, text white, guys. Let's go there. Let me refresh here. Let me refresh here. Yes. Now all of you can observe here, right? You can observe here, right? This is the H1, right? H1 grid, H3, right? H3 grid, here division grid, here division grid, here division grid. These four are available where on top of the H1 on the NTH1, guys. NTH1. For NTH1, what is the taken background color? Success color. That's why in the background we can see that green color, guys. Green color. You can see the green color, guys. Okay, green color. That's all. So yes, guys, right? This is the way how to create the nested grids. Okay, nested grids, guys. Nested grids, right? That's fine. That's fine. Now all of you observe. I want one more thing. For example, observe, guys, here. For example, now what do I do here? Okay, the top one, leave it. Sub grids are right. So NTH 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 4, 5, 6 is there. 4, 5, 6. Okay. That 6 I want to move left to right, guys. Then a simple, right? That 6 I want column 1 to column 3. Column 1 to column 3. Then what we do? That 6. Okay. Now take the uh, dot nth 6, guys, right? 6. Then what I want now? What I want here? I am taking now grid. Okay. Grid, guys. Grid column, right? Column. From where? 1, 2, 3, right, guys? 1, 2, 3. Grid column 1, 2, 3. Now check the last one, guys. Last one, refresh here. Yes, guys. 1, 2, 3 came. Right? 1, 2, 3 came, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3 came like this. If you take the small sizes, guys, if you take the for main grids, if suppose if you take some 70 percentage, for example, I'm trying to fit all single page, guys. We can take the fraction also. Let's try here 70 percentage, right? That's fine, guys. Okay, that's fine. If I take 70 percentage, then now all of you observe. Now what is size here? I think 70%, right? 70 percentage. Actually, the NTH one, guys. This one 70 percentage height, right? In the 70 percentage, now it's occupying again 50-50 like this, guys. Okay, that 70 percentage means again it's occupying the which one one NTH A 1A 50 and 1C 50 like this. It adjusts automatically, guys. Okay, they adjust automatically, right? Suppose, guys, see till now what happened? We moved only the column, right, guys? Only 1, 2, 3 we have taken. Now suppose I don't want this one. I want adjust this 5 like this, guys. I want take the 5. This all like this. Okay, that means I'm going for NTH 1, NTH 6, guys. At 6, I don't take about NTH 6, guys. Remove this one. Remove this one. Yes. Now what I want now, NTH 5, I want take up to here, guys. That's all. 5 only I want extend to the down now. Right, down now. Right. Means what is the row number, guys, here? What is the row number? All of you, what is the row number here? The row number is this is the right row number 1. This is the row number 2. This is the row number 3. This is the row number 4. This is the row number 5. Right. So I want take it from 3 to 5, right? 3 to 5, guys. Row 3 to row 5. Row 3 to row 5. Okay, row 5. or NTH5, I'll take now dot NTH5, 5. Then we'll take here grid row. Okay, grid row from where? 3 to 5, guys. Okay, 3 to 5. Grid row 3 to 5. 3 to 5. All of right. See what happened here. What happened here? It came to the beginning, guys. It came to beginning. Then automatically those two came to the end here. But see, it's happening automatically, guys. Okay. But what I want now, what I want here, see, I specified that the grid starts from row wise 3 to 5, guys. I didn't say about column wise. I didn't talk here about column wise. I'm saying about row wise only. Row 3 to 5. Row 3 to 5. That's why it has taken in the beginning, right? Because, guys, here this is the row 1. This is the row 2, right? Row 2. Okay. See, this means this entire line, guys. Entire line is the row. This entire line is the row. Okay. This row 2, then row 3, then up to here row 4, then row 5. It has taken 3 to 5. That's what came in the beginning to occupied, guys. Not in this place. Not in this place. Not in this place. Suppose I want to occupy here only. They'll specify the column position also. What's position? 2 to 3, right, guys? 2 to 3. Column, right? 2 to 3. Now I'll go here. I'll go now. Grid, right? Grid column. Grid column. Right? 2 to 3, guys. Okay. 2 to 3. Columns also I'm saying here. Yes, guys. All of you can observe here. Now, so it is locked here now, right? It is locked from both the point of no rows. It is occupied. It's locked here. In point of columns also, it is locked, guys. It is locked here. Now it will not move anywhere. All of right. Okay. That's fine, guys. Right. So this is the way. This is the way. How to take the these grids, guys. Okay, overlapping the grids. Taking nested grid. That nested grid is all, guys. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. See here, it's possible, guys. It's possible either column wise or row wise only. Row wise only. For example, L shapes are L shape means this NTH2. I want to occupy this all, and also like this. Means L shape, guys. Right? L shape like this. That is not possible, guys. L shape means either row wise column is possible, the same grid, but L format like that, it's not possible, guys. Okay. Suppose see this 2 is there. This 2 I want to occupy till the last, guys. This 2 I want to occupy the till last. This 2 I want to occupy the till last, guys. Till last here. In the what is the row number? Row number 1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, row number 5. So this NTH2 I want to occupy from 2 to 5. Okay, 2 to 5, guys. 2 to 5. Now all of you observe. I'll take now data NTH2. I want to occupy the row number, right? Grid row from where? 2 to 5, guys. Okay, 2 to 5. 2 to 5, guys. Okay, yes. Now all of you observe 2 to 5 came. Then automatically that 5 and 6 go to the next row, guys. Okay, that 5 and 6 going for where? Going for the next row. Now what's the row number, guys? Here current, this is the row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Now row 6 came, guys. Okay, we got the new row 6 here. We got not a small size. Why? Because we did not create row 6, right, guys? We are taking the only how many rows? 4 rows only. Do we have 4 or 5 rows, guys? Here there's row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Sorry, row 5, guys. Okay, row 5. Okay, row 5, guys. Yes, row 5. Because this is the right one row, then row 2, row 3, row 4, right? Row 4, guys. Now row 5 newly created with those I think 5 and 5 4 and 6, guys, with the fourth and sixth grades. Yes. All right. Now we can extend, guys. We can extend one more row size. Extend the one more row size, guys. One more row size. That's all. Now, now all of you observe like this, guys, right? Like this, keep on arrange, guys. Okay, we keep on arrange like this. That's fine now, right? So it is the how, guys, we work with which one? This grid, guys. Okay, display equal to grid. Display equal to grid. Okay, right. Thank you, guys.